Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Comenity Bank step by step clearly. Open your Comenity Bank account online or download the mobile app. Log in using your credentials. Navigate to the Budgeting Tools section. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Start by setting your financial goals. Determine your primary expenses, such as rent, utilities, and groceries. Input your monthly income accurately. Categorize your expenses into fixed and variable sections. Assign a budget limit for each expense category. Review past statements to understand spending habits. Make adjustments to ensure your budget is realistic. Utilize alerts to monitor spending in real time. Track your progress regularly through the dashboard. Consider setting up automatic payments for regular bills. Revisit and adjust your budget each month as needed. Document any unexpected expenses to refine your budgeting skills. Engage with customer support for any questions or concerns. Stay disciplined and motivated to follow your budget. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.